have been a student of Exceladze for 2 years for my board preparation. I joined the institute during my class 11th, and from the very beginning my experience with Exceladze has been great. The study environment as well as the infrastructure here is top notch. Mentors have excellent teaching skills and focus on concept building instead of rote learning. The faculties are always eager to help us out with any of our problems. Exams are conducted religiously and a thorough review of the student is done. Students' drawbacks are found and strategies to improve them are provided. Unfortunately, during my years of preparation with Exceladze, we had witnessed the worldwide pandemic breakout, but our classes kept on going without any major hitch. Teachers were equipped with the best technologies to provide online classes, even during those times when education seemed to have taken a back gear. Exceladze never backed out and provided us with the best education possible during those difficult periods. The teachers are always understanding and are ready to help us with our doubts. I am glad I chose Exceladze because for Exceladze, we students always come first. I totally recommend Exceladze for a burden-free and enjoying learning journey. Thank you.